To enable clients to respond quickly to situations that need attention, you must configure a VMS to detect problems and then send emails and text messages to the proper resources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to associate a map with an alarm. Under Site Navigation, we'll expand Alarms and click Alarm Definitions. In the Alarm Definitions pane, click Motion Detection Parking 03. In the Properties pane, click the Related Map drop-down list. In order to see it in the Management Client, the map must first be added in the Smart Client. Let's choose Parking Garage. We need to click away from the active window to see the save message. Click Yes to save the changes. You just saw how to associate a map with an alarm. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.